Keep flipping them in there. You don't want it to burn on the bottom. That's why.
If it accidentally does burn on the bottom, what do we do?
Then we cry because it ruins all the pies. It ruins everything.
No. There's just big weight.
Don't say those bad things. Actually.
No, I'm just kidding.
Watch out.
Wait, I have an idea.
No, let's not use that.
Nope, no, we're gonna use it. No.
Stop it. I can actually make more because I got a little bit more
No, you don't have to. When this is already a
Gracie, do you know what that tastes like? Why don't you take a little cube of that and see what it tastes like? What's wrong?
Why did you have to let me do that?
Because you wanted to know. Now, why would you actually listen to me? Hey. Alright.
Ow.
I'm going to turn it up a little bit because those strawberries have to get soft. What the heck are you doing to this dang thing? You got it on the back of the... Oops. Jeepers. Alright. Now, if you take it, let's take a look. Now this one I want to be careful with, but I want to go down here and take a look at this. Oh, that looks good. I want to keep the heat in there. Oops, I got to go to 400. There we go. Alright. So.
I'm going to go look at